9:15, welcome back. Let's take you out live to State Farm Stadium. Not a cloud in the sky out there in the West Valley right now. How about Chase Field downtown? Looking good as well. Ready to welcome back the Rangers today. Are you headed to the game tonight at 6:40? Well, it's going to be hot. They're going to have the roof closed, of course, with temperatures like this. 104 by 7 p.m., 100 by 9 p.m. But yeah, first pitch 6:40. We're still going to be pretty toasty out there if you're going to get downtown early. Maybe grab a drink or dinner before the game. 110 is 8 degrees above normal for us for this time of year and 3 degrees shy of the record for today's date. 83 has been our morning low, which is a little above average, but we're heading in the right direction. I think many of you noticed it felt cooler out there this morning. It was technically cooler, but also it's dry. So the air mass being a little bit drier makes it feel nicer. Good news here is this is a trend that looks to continue. When we look ahead to our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, this is a trend for cooler than average temperatures expected really next week. This is from Sunday through about the middle of next week. Areas here shaded in blue, below average, even more below average the further west you get. When we take a look at rainfall, it's also looking to be above average. So we may get a little bit of rain, especially Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. We're watching that. That could change. Here's our water vapor satellite imagery. This shows us the moisture content in the atmosphere. And obviously what jumps out here is Tropical Storm Francine. A lot of deep tropical moisture out there in the Gulf. This is all very dry air, and it's kind of scoured out our monsoon moisture. But what we think is going to happen, where that weekend rate is going to come from, a tropical system that's actually going to develop here off the coast of the Baja Peninsula, work its way up, and potentially give us a little push of moisture by the weekend. There's a lot of uncertainty with that, and so there's a lot of uncertainty with the temperatures this weekend. I do think they'll fall, but could they fall more into the upper 90s? Rather than the low triple digits? That's kind of what we're watching along with those rainfall chances. In the meantime, we got a trough of low pressure that's going to swing by to the north of us, and that's going to bring us some wind and a gradual cool down the next couple of days. Today still 110 for Phoenix, 81 for Flagstaff, and 104 for Tucson, 87 for Santa Fe, 91 for Salt Lake City, and 103 for Vegas, 82 for San Diego, and 64 for San Francisco. Let's break down this 7-day forecast because it's full of changes that I think you're going to like. First, temperatures start to fall in the afternoons from 110 today to 107 Thursday to 104 on Friday, and even cooler for the weekend. Second, we've got that round of wind coming on Thursday, 10 to 20 mile per hour winds, gusting to 30 miles per hour winds. Those will be out of the southwest. Next, we got morning temperatures falling off back to the 70s valley-wide. We got a few 70s this morning, more of those, maybe even some upper 60s in outlying areas as we head toward Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. And then, of course, temperatures falling off even more for the weekend, especially if we end up seeing that rain.